So at first, when opening the app, you can see a drop-down of tasks that you can do. You can, for this one, we will do the VR treadmill task. I clicked the wrong one. We will do the VR treadmill task. And at first, you can see a task summary showing you the relevant objects you can try and locate using the system. And then on the right, you can see every step that is in the task. I will now start the task. There we go. And on the right, you can see the current step repeated. And then on the left, you can see the relevant objects that you can try and locate using the system. You can do that by pressing the Scan for Objects button. And then if you think you completed the step, you can press the Step Complete button. So now I will go into the room. And the first step is to check if the first VR base station is on, which should be a black box in a corner, in the top corner of a room. So I will try, I think it might be that one. So I press the Scan for Objects button. And as we can see, it is that one. Now I need to show the system the green light near the top in the middle, which should be that. So I press the Step Complete button. And then now on the left, we can see the feedback the system gives us. It says complete yes, the first VR base station is on. And then the next step is to check if the other VR base station is on. Let's look around the room. I think that might be it. Let's scan. There we go. Yes, it is. I show it the green light near the middle. And yes, that is completed as well. The next step is to find the power box and turn on the switch. Let's scan the scene and look where the power box could be. It's supposed to be over there. It seems to not be pointing to anything specifically, so I can try and scan again. There we go. Now it's pointing to this. This should be the power box. There should be a switch here. Yes, let's press it and press the Step Complete button. Yes, the next step is to take the platform shoes and put them on. Those are probably the platform shoes. Yes, they are. Okay, you can put them on. Show that to the system. Complete yes. The next step is to go and stand in the ring on the platform. Let's make sure this is the ring. Yes, it is. Okay, Mikhail, you can go ahead and stand in it. Step complete. Complete yes. The next step is to raise the ring to your hip level using the raising lever, which should be located at the side of the ring. Let's see where that could be. I see an arrow pointing here. It's pointing to nothing. Let's try scanning again. Okay, now we see it's pointing to this sticker. So let's see. Here is the raising lever. So I'll just go ahead and raise it to hip level. I'll step back and take a picture. Complete yes.